Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Audi RS5. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Audi RS5 stands tall as an embodiment of performance, luxury, and sophistication, carrying forward Audi's tradition of crafting exceptional vehicles that offer thrilling driving experiences and premium comfort. As the latest iteration of Audi's esteemed RS lineup, the RS5 showcases the brand's commitment to blending high-performance capabilities with refined elegance. At the heart of the 2024 Audi RS5 lies a potent twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine, delivering an exhilarating 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS5 offers blistering acceleration and precise power delivery. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating twisty mountain roads, the RS5 offers dynamic handling and confident performance that drivers crave. The RS5's dynamic prowess is further complemented by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's sport-tuned suspension and dynamic steering ensure precise control and responsive handling, while the sedan's lightweight construction contributes to its agility and excellent balance. The RS5 features high-performance brakes, providing confident stopping power and stability under varied driving conditions. Visually, the 2024 Audi RS5 commands attention with its athletic and sleek design, featuring aggressive styling cues and distinctive RS accents. Its exterior boasts a striking single-frame grille, enlarged air intakes, and dual oval exhaust outlets, all of which underscore its performance-oriented character. The RS5 rides on 20-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its commanding stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to customize the RS5's appearance, adding a touch of personalization. Inside the cabin, the RS5 offers a luxurious and driver-focused environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The interior boasts sports seats with fine Napa leather upholstery, a flat-bottomed steering wheel with paddle shifters, and carbon fiber trim accents. The RS5 is equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Audi RS5. The sedan comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a top-view camera system. Additionally, the RS5 offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi RS5 offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the RS5 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.